So now you can roll your options in mobile. If you check on the menu down here, have a look down, there's option exercise roll just beneath orders and trades here, which is a really nice feature that we've been asking for a while. So here's some of my positions that are expiring in 1 day's time. I can take the bar position, just tap that and go to roll position. So we're buying to close that put leg, and now we've got to select the option that we want to roll to. So it's taken me by default to the next month, which might be what we want to do. So let's just do that. So I can roll that to the 290 put again. Let's just see what happens here. I'm just going to sell that again and then hit roll option. So it's showing us the order as buying the November and then selling the December 290 put for a credit. I can just maybe adjust that to the midpoint, and we can see we're going to, let's just see, collect $624 US. So we can transmit buy to roll that down. So that's a nice addition to the IB mobile, and that's on Android there. Okay, hope that helps. Bye for now.